A while ago, my wife and I decided to buy a campervan. And instead of just buying a pre-built one, we decided to convert it ourselves. After months of waiting due to supply chain shortages, we were finally able to get our van, and we named it the Bumblebee. Welcome to episode 1, The Bumblebee Lands.
Our first trip. Oh, look at you, buddy. Hey, look at you. And who else is here? Oh my gosh, the three amigos, huh?
Join us on our journey to get Bumblebee ready for adventures, and let's explore the world and watch the planet together. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Instagram and Facebook.